pala. So, dahil dyan, maghuhubad ako dito. Hindi, joke. Okay, so sa amin pong pag-welcome, meron pong regalo sa inyo ang Inquirer. Ito, kukunin ko. Doc, welcome po sa Inquirer. Ito ang aming, buksan mo, Doc. Talagang buksan mo, ako nagbukas. At kay Doktora Angela.
Hi, thank you.
Ayan, welcome po sa Inquirer 990 Television. Balanseng pagbabalita, walang takot na pamamahayag.
Lagay natin dito.
Ayan, lagyan niya yan sa kotse, no? Ayan po, siya po si Guhito. Siya yung parang namin, toy namin. Tapos yung kanyang suot na vest, ay yung pang, ang tawag dyan, vest ng reporter. Yan yon. Yan po ay galing sa Inquirer family, of course, kay ating Boss Jake Maderado na nakikinig at nanonood ngayon. Hello, Sir Jake. Batiin niyo si Boss Jake.
Okay.
Hello.
Umaga sa iyo, Jake. May the Lord bless and keep you and you may prosperous all your life.
Amen. Ayan, Sir nakikinig ka ba? Uy, sinabi ko na, magpapa-facial si Boss Jake, Doktora Angela. Sabi niya, schedule ko na daw siya sa The Link.
Oo, dali.
Ayan Boss Jake, narinig mo on air. Okay, pupunta tayo sa The Link. Derm Clinic, The Link, Makati. Yan po ay sa tapat rin ng ng Landmark. So, we boast of our highly equipped and highly advanced mga clinics all over, diba? Tsaka very accessible. Alam naman natin, pag SM yan. Di po ba, Doktora? Ready na ba, mga boys? Kahit yung naka-video box muna. So, Doc, dito nga sa ating new generation, ika nga. Kasi dati, talagang TV, si Doc Pineda. Ayan ang ating mga branches. So, we have Alabang Town Center. We have, Doktora, do the honors, please.
We have SM City Bacoor, Cavite, SM City Bicutan, SM City Cebu, SM City Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Isama ako sa Cebu.
SM City Fairview, SM City Manila, SM City Sucat.
Okay.
Then, we also have sa SM City Marilao, Bulacan.
Mga Bulakenyos.
SM City North EDSA, SM City Pampanga. And then yung last 5, SM City Santa Mesa, SM Mall of Asia, SM Mega Mall,
MOA.
And then, SM South Mall, and then the Link Ayala Center.
Ayun, kita nyo na. 16 big branches over sa buong Kapuluan at buong bansa. No? Ito, Alabang Town and the Link are the Ayala malls, no? Doktora. So, yung the Link and
the rest are all in SM.
Ayan, Shay, no? May SM City Fairview Derm Clinic. Doon mo nadalhin yung mga acne mong yan. Kasi nagtatanong sila sa amin kahapon. Meron ba sa Quezon City? Actually, dalawa, di ba? Kasi may North EDSA. North EDSA is Quezon City. And then SM City Fairview is also Quezon City. Wow, Doc. Dami talaga nito. You are unstoppable. Talaga naman. So, Derm Clinic has been a pioneer and leader in the field of dermatology. At eto, meron ka ng katabi. Doktora, saan ka ba makikita? Ang ganda-ganda mo daw. Ito may mga nagte-text. Saan ka daw makikita pagpapagamot?
Usually sa yung, di ba si Sir Jake nga? So, usually dun sa The Link Ayala.
Ayun. Ang cute ng mga dolls.
Di ba? Meron tayong
ang cute.
The Link Ayala, Makati, kasi dun malapit yung sa office. But, occasionally, I also visit other branches. So, minsan South Mall, Bicutan. So, pati yung iba, nakakarating din ako ng Pampanga, pati Cebu.
Oo nga. Oo, yung dapat, no? Kasi, syempre, gusto rin nila kayong makita. So, Doc, kamusta naman ang ating, sabi nga, meron tayong tinatawag na continuing education. Kasi, di ba, recently, teka, tingnan niyo, may nag-text agad. Saan po sa Laguna ang branch ng Derm Clinic? May ba Laguna branch? I think the nearest,
the nearest lang would be
Alabang Town. Alabang Town. Kasi south yun, di ba? O yun. Pwede ka, anak. Marami na dyan via, bus or, I'm sure you have a karwahe. It's just a few minutes or drive, di ba? So, the nearest to Laguna branch is, Alabang Town. Alabang Town. Okay. Thank you.
Magkakalapit naman yun eh.
Oo.
So,
Napakakalapit.
pwede ng daanan.
Oo, sige. Sino ba itong nag-text sa ate? Baka pwede nating malaman kung sino siya para magbati natin. Salamat sa inyong pag-text right away. Kasi meron tayong DZIQ text line dito, sir. Ayun o, 0920-837-9790. So, talagang high-powered ang ating exposure dahil tayo nga rin ay napapanood nila via mobile app, via desktop, via tablet, napakarami pong ating pinaka akala mo nakaupo ka lang dyan. Ako, pinapanood. Batiin mo, doktor, ang mga pastor na nanonood sa'yo ngayon. I'm sure nanonood dyan via mobile app, via telephone.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. For the information to the public, meron po tayong PACD, Philippine Academy of Clinical and Cosmetic Dermatology Convention sa October
7 to
7
8.
to 8.
Naku, birthday ko
Okay,
yun.
Oo, birthday ano mo.
Oo.
Yan ang yearly convention namin in order to update lahat ng dermatologists regarding all techniques and all newer gadgets and all newer procedures for the improvement for the UP appearance sa dermatology.
Okay, good news yan. Doc, para lang sa kaalaman ng ating mga texters, live streamers, ating mga viewers via the ABS-CBN channel. Hello! Hello po. Oh, makakaway sa inyo doon.
Hello!
Si Doc sa iba nakatingin. Dito, Doc. Dito. Doc, dito. Ayun, oh. Ayun. Si Sir Rolly Pagaspas. O, diba, mga fans? Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Kuya Rolly. Yun. So, yun nga itong PACD, no? If we can say this, Philippine Academy
of Clinical and Cosmetic Dermatology.
Clinical and Cosmetic Dermatology. Mga dermatologists all over the Philippines.
So, Doc, balita ko you've been president since from day 1 to now, up to now.
Yeah, I've been the president of PACD for the past 14 years.
Wow, 14 years na.
3 until now.
Okay. So, talagang ayan po, sabi ko nga, continuing education, no? Plus, of course, doktora, di ba, meron pa kayong mga other societies or foundation like the DIFP?
Oo, the DIFP. It's a dermatology.
Ang DIF is the educational institution where we train graduates in medicine to take the course of 3 years in dermatology exclusively.
Ayan. Alam mo, Doc, nag-guest kami noon, hindi naman noon, 2 weeks ago lang din, yung mga kaibigan natin sa MIMS Doctor, di ba? Ang kanilang layunin ay makapag-provide ng mga vital information, the latest information in the medical field sa lahat ng mga healthcare professionals. And yun nga, sabi ko, tayo ay itong ating kaparaanan, pagbo-broadcast, no, is to reach out naman sa ating mga pasyente na talaga nangangailangan ng kalinga at gamutan sa balat at syempre, 'di ba, ang hair, the true skin and hair, pati hair siya, 'di ba? 'Di ba nga sabi mo, doktora, noon na ano yung sabi mo na i-stereotype sa balat lang
Oo, kasali talaga 'yon. Kasi scalp, 'di ba? Kaya maganda yung name na skin and scalp. Kasi yun talaga yung description ng skin. So covered 'yon. Yung kaya 'di ba, kahit sa naman yan, hindi lang naman sa ulo may buhok kahit dito. So lahat covered 'yan.
Oo. So dito pakita natin, no, actually, no, this is a day of welcoming Derm Clinic and Inquirer 990 Television, and we're very glad to announce that we are also, ito po, makikita nyo sa inyong screen, first of all, we'll be at Radio Inquirer DZIQ, which is exactly where we are now. Kami po ay mapapanood, mapapakinggan, no? This is one platform, Doc, dito. And then, if you notice, ito po ang ating exposure, no? From radio, we are seeing TV, we are also online, we are also on mobile, and of course, the very powerful social media. Nandiyan po tayo lahat, mapapanood po tayo. Our next slide, please. And of course, ang ating kapamilyang Radio Inquirer has a credibility, sabi nga ni Boss Jake, because you are also leader, pioneer, founder in the field of dermatology. We are one in our credibility, vision, and mission as a multinational or multimedia organization, passionate in telling the Filipino people our story. So, ang Derm Clinic has a lot of stories to tell, di ba, Doc? Nako, maukulang ang isang oras. Ayan po ang ating reach, no? via the radioinquirer.net. We are reaching 21,457,385 viewers, texters, at lahat na ng hers. lahat, kuya, di ba? Baba po natin yan, no? Kasi we have to inform our mga patrons or clientele na I'm sure nakikinig ngayon. At kami po ay talagang mag-broadcast na. Ayan po, we are in Inquirer, in Bandera, Libre, Cebu Daily News, at napakarami po pang reach niyan. So, yan po, dyan nyo po aabangan ng Derm Clinic sa pag-join dito. And of course, Doc, di ba nakaupo ka dyan? Ayan na, Inquirer 990 Television. We are also on TV. Balanseng pagbabalita, walang takot na pamamahaya.
Ang laki pala ng coverage.
Oo, Inquirer 990 TV. Ayan po. At hindi lang dyan natatapos. Nakita nyo. We are also online via the radioinquirer.net. radio.inquirer.net. So, ito po yung online din nila. Iba pa yung So, ayan po, makikita nyo. Kaya, Doc, kailangan hitik tayo sa information sa pag-share sa ating mga viewers, televiewers, listeners, live streamers all over the world via the internet sa ating mga dermatological news. Sabi mo nga, kaya maganda yung PACD. Doc, marami pa yan, no? Marami pa yan.
Yeah.
Ayan, no? Actually, yan po yung mobile app, Doc, kung saan tayo napapanood rin via our phones, no? Talagang high-tech na ngayon, no? Kung dati, TV lang, ngayon, ay, nako, hindi na mabilang. Diba, mga kapatid? And also, yan naman, Doc. Kayo na magkwento ni Doktora ngayon dyan. You are 45 years this year. Specifically, kailan po tayo talaga magta-turn 45?
November. Yung celebration namin usually it's November for all branches. So, this November we're turning 45 years already.
Wow, Doc. Grabe.
Wala pa ako nandun na under clinic.
Talagang, ito po, what else can we say? 45 years of service to the Filipino people on dermatology and skin and scalp care. Ayan po tayo. Of course, we boast of our VBP, of course, Vincent B. Pineda, doctor here, as a pioneer and founder. And of course, Doc, hailed as the father of Philippine dermatology by notable members po ng ating mga society. So, sabi mo nga, Doc, di ba? Mag-react ka ulit dyan. You're humble. Doc, ano masasabi mo? You're hailed, no? As the father of Philippine dermatology.
What is important basically would be to continuously serve the Filipino patients, mga babae, mga lalaki at all ages, in the excellence of dermatological services all over, to make you beautiful and presentable. At the moment, the current latest treatment in dermatology is basically yung tinatawag na Botox and derma fillers.
Ayan ang paborito ni Doc. Alam mo talaga, Doc, agree ako dyan. Kasi nga, nung kami, last week lang, ng Wednesday lang, umupo dito sila Doktora Michelle Manuel. Ayan, Doc, tinan mo, if it's derma, it's Derm Clinic. Diba? Yan talaga ang ating mantra dapat. Wala nang ibang pupuntahan. Siyempre, diba? Dahil tayo ay nasa kamay ng mga board-certified doctors. Yan po ang ating mga continuing education. Kinamusta natin ang DIFP. Ito pala ang PACT, Philippine Academy of Clinical and Cosmetic Dermatology. Ikaw ang presidente, Doc. Grabe. Yan yun na nga. Of course.
I want to remind the people that Derm Clinic is the only chain of derm clinics with full-time dermatologists in every clinic. That means to say they are available 8 to 10 hours every day. All branches, all dermatologists. Walang estheticians. Meron estheticians as secondary and also other secondary. But the main attraction of the clinics, lahat ng derm clinic branches are basically manned by full-time accredited certified dermatologists. So you can give us your trust that you will be having the best service in the whole Philippine Islands through the availability of our dermatologists certified.
Iyon, diba? Saan ka pa? Parang emergency room, masabi ba?
Actually, Leo, yun talaga yung goal. Kasi, diba, dermatology has been a field initially nung bago pumasok sila daddy. So, hospital talaga siya. Pero what we really want was to reach the larger scope of the Filipino people. So, where better to reach them could be sa malls. That's why, doon talaga yung start.
I want to tell you that I have been representing the Philippines in Singapore to really assess the quality of the skincare and dermatological services all over Far East Asia and also in Australia. And I found that there are skin clinics that are 34, 45 branches, but the derm clinic is the only one who is able to maintain the credibility that's a full-time accredited dermatologist in all branches, 8 to 10 hours a day. The rest are manned. The other clinics are manned by non-dermatologists, they are doctors, by estheticians and others. So in our clinic, we get the best dermatological service all over.
Kita nyo naman kahit upuan ni Doc, rockin' the nation. Let's rock.
Okay.
Diba? Rockin' Derm Clinic rocks. Sorry, Derm Clinic rules. Okay, so ano pa po ang ating tingnan niyo naman. Yun ang maganda doon, no? Kasi 'di ba, skin disease 'yan eh, 'di ba? Pag usapang balat, doktora, 'di ba? Saan ka pupunta?
Oo.
Saan mo sabi ko nga, nagdudugong tagyawat, kanina mo papagalaw 'yan.
Actually, doon sa 45 years na 'yon, we have kept it professional talaga in terms of we have kept derm clinic, yung nagmaman ng clinics is lahat doctors. Lahat is well-trained in dermatology. And then, we also have nurses. So, we call them actually dermatological nurses. Kasi sila rin yung expert na, which we have trained in the field of dermatology.
Na-trained na rin, kasi mga nurse. Oo nga, doktora. Alam mo, nagpa-facial ako ng isang gabi, Ang sarap. Ay, naku, magpa-facial kayo. Partida, wala pa yung contouring.
Complete na kasi siya eh. Hindi siya yung basta there are some facials na parang konti lang yung gagawin. Like, kunyari, konting steam, konting peel. Yung buong treatment natin, it's 30 to 45 minutes na pag facial services na ginagawa ng dermatological nurse natin. So, complete na yon na may massage, may improving yung microcirculation. So, it's really taking care of your skin.
Sarap, doktora. Yung may malamig na nilagay. Naku, Shane, magpa-facial ka na dyan. Okay. Meron tayong flash kanina, Doc, kasi sinabi ko lang, kasi kailangan malaman ng mga viewers kung saan tayo mapapanood. We have shown the radio, the Inquirer TV, yung pong ating digital campaign. Ito talaga, wala tayong magagawa. Talagang new generation na. So, sa digital campaign, Kuya, can we show it to them? So, mapapanood na rin po ninyo, no? Masusubaybayan din ang Derm Clinic sa ating mga digital social media campaign. So, yan po, papakita natin. Yung kaninang flash, Kuya, yan. Diba? So, we're also on display ads. Makikita nyo na rin po ang Derm Clinic dyan. We are reaching how many viewers and how many followers, no? Yung isa pa pong pink ulit. So, yun po yung tinatawag nating banner ad kanina. You will be seeing us very soon. No? So, ayan, excited na natin mga listeners and natin mga viewers, live streamers, na tayo ay dapat kasi naririnig, 'di ba? Kaya Doc, as we share with them information about the latest in dermatology, lalo na nga Doc, gusto ko rin mag-focus dun sa hair shawl, no? Kasi hindi masyadong na-promote na i-impart yung taking care of the hair, no? So, sa inyo, di ba, sabi nga ni Doc.
Okay. I want the people to understand that today in America and also in Europe, according to statistics of American Society for Dermatologic Surgery or Aesthetic Dermatology, the number one treatment in order to improve the face, those are the wrinkles, the creases, and the furrows of the face. Habang tumatanda ka, 30 years old and above, nagkakaroon ng lines. These are normal because of gravity and because of genetic factors. But the latest treatment, marami sa lahat all over, even in the Philippines, even in Asia, in Europe and America, is the treatment of those lines and fine lines and creases by tinatawag na neuromodulators. These are the botulism toxin derived, that are injected. These are injected into the face in order to improve your appearance, to remove wrinkles, fine lines, and creases. But this is very classical. latest, we found that you can alter the shape of the face. Remember that if your face is, basically, parang mabilog, you can give a better shape, magiging oblong.
Pwede rin yan, Dok,
That's
sa inyo?
okay. Yes,
Gagamutin
it
din?
is. That is the
Wow.
current trend. Not only that, if you
Latest.
look tired, you got to understand that we inject you the particular and very popular Botox or Dysport or the Boda injection. These are neuromodulators in order to suppress more or less
Ayan.
and to relax the muscles of the skin and for you to look refreshed, to look
Younger.
younger
Oo.
by 10 to 15 years.
O, kita niyo
This
na.
is very true.
Oo.
This can be the combination of Botox. Classically they call it Botox kasi sila nag-umpisa.
Oo, okay.
And also dermal fillers,
Ayun.
Restylane and fillers and Perfecta.
Ayan.
I said this because this is the latest. If you want to alter the appearance of your face, you want to look younger, you want to look refreshed.
Fresh, oo.
Okay, these
Ako yun.
substances that are Botox and also dermal fillers are the ones that are basically the latest and the most popular all over the world and is available in derm clinic.
Kita mo na. Yan, napakinggan nyo straight from Dr. Vincent B. Pineda and Dr. Angela
Yung
Pineda.
dalawang procedures naman na yun, hindi siya yung talagang yung matakot ka kasi parang kung anong gagawin sa face. Pero it's just mainly enhancing. Di ba sabi nga, aging is part of our lives. But we want to age gracefully,
Oo.
di ba?
Ayoko mag-age.
Oo.
Ayun,
Okay.
Doc, ito, alam mo, Doc, ang dami mong shinare. I'm sure, ang dami dyan na nakikinig at nanonood sa atin is very thankful, syempre. Kasi, iba yung iba parang, ito na to, tatanda na talaga ako. Hindi pwede. Pupunta ka sa derm clinic para hindi ma-stop ang aging. So, maraming mga kaparaanan, mga latest, Doc, di ba?
Okay. Before they were afraid of the complications. Okay, ang dami ko. But ang problem ko, sabi ko sa mga lecturers, sa mga manufacturers, why are they very hesitant in using the particular product? Because heightened on at saka na-hype ang complication. But the thing is that they are very, very, very safe. And I told my
safe
doctors to
side.
use them liberally because you are withdrawing, the important improvement of the face of the patient. So, and also you are withholding also the products that are basically with good promises for the improvement
good results,
of the
Doc,
texture, appearance, and
appearance.
young-looking skin. And that's
Ayun.
Botox and Perfecta and also Dysport and Naboda. These are available in the Philippines at varying prices.
Oo, kasi nga, Doc, last week, ayan sila yung mga gines natin. Ayun, ang dami nag-react dyan. Talaga sabi, ano Miss Leia, yung mga linya-linya. Tinadtad namin yung linya-linya.
Yung mga naging problema kasi I think nag-start yung Botox and yung mga ganyang treatment sa US.
Na-hype ang complications. Don't do that.
Oo.
Wala nang complications ngayon.
Wala.
Meron,
Doc,
but this is only temporary and can be counteracted by oral medicine. But you
Yan
can understand
nakakatakot.
that I want to project the good points, the good credit, and the latest, the drama in terms of perfecting your face, in terms of improving your face, in terms also of making your face refresh, younger, and you can now change the shape of the face. Even yung gami-gam, di ba may mga tumatawa na nakalabas ang gam? You can improve that.
pwede na yun, yung
yes,
gilagid.
yes.
Ay, ayan,
Even
ako'y
double
popost ko.
chins. Double chins.
Ba't sa akin ka nakatingin doon?
Yung masseter, yung square.
Ba't sa akin ka nakatingin ng double chin?
Okay, we are willing to give you our injection, our services
Ay,
because
takot. Ayun,
we want you to be an example for a good service
Model.
of the clinic, a model
Yes.
for them
So,
to emulate.
tama yan kasi kailangan sabihin natin. Kasi takot ako sa injection Pero di ba sabi mo kanina,
Hindi
wala nang gano'n, wala nang mga ganon-ganon. No?
I think babalik tayo dun sa pag-trusted kasi yung and well-trained yung humahawak sa'yo na doktor, mas kaya nilang i-handle. Yun din yung important.
And I want the public to know that there must be, you got to give your confidence to a certified dermatologist at the clinic. Only the dermatologist, not even other doctors, because the well-trained specialists for the injection of Botox, and also dermapillars are basically the dermatologists with training of 6 months or more after specialty.
So, sandali Doc, himayin natin yan, no? Kasi that's something to be proud of. Yung imagine yung kayo continuing education as pioneer in the field, tapos meron another 6 months of training. You know, that's how you really train or come up with this mga talagang, sabi nyo nga, board certified dermatologist. No?
We have weekly training every Tuesday from 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock until 1 to 2 o'clock. Every day, all dermatologists in the clinic, and we also invite the dermatologists of PACD, Philippine Academy of Clinical and Cosmetic Dermatology.
Galing yan. So really, Derm Clinic talaga is really passionate talaga, no? Sa, syempre, pag-provide ng skin care and hair care sa lahat ng mga nangangailangan ng tulong.
You got to be excellent in your specialty. You got to be passionate in your particular work.
Naku, si Angela din, hindi na tutulog. Ayan, Doc, teka, bago natin makalimutan, paki-flash nga ulit, Kuya Ian. We're also on a microsite digital campaign, no? So, if you see there, makikita niyo na po kami next in a few weeks time. Ayan po aming mga Skinner ads. So, mababalita na po namin sa inyo ano mga latest na gamutan sa aming mga klinika, sa kanilang mga kampanya laban sa mga, for clinic service, skin care, and hair care. So, ayan, pakita natin yung mga hair care, Kuya. Ayan po ang tinatawag natin sa digital. Grabe ang reach niyan, Doktora. Grabe. So, pag natin yan, flash natin yan, at nagsimula yan, marami na po kayong mga kaparaanan para ma-reach kami. You can share your comments, you can ask questions, diba? Dahil marami mga tanong. Pero the best thing talaga, Doktora, is to visit, diba?
Yeah, to visit.
To consult talaga. Oo, sige nga, Doc. Ikaw mag-anyaya.
Oo. We're inviting everyone to visit any derm clinic branch that's near you, yung mga binanggit natin kanina among the 16 branches. Or, kung gusto niyo naman, pwede naman kayo mag-inquire online. We have Facebook na 24/7 din naman yung answering ng inquiries. And occasionally, we ensure na it's the expert who's gonna answer.
We want to assure the whole, the whole people that you will be assured of excellent service and ethical. Excellent service.
Ang gaganda ng clinic mo, Dok. Ayun, no. Saan yan? Anong branch yan? Punta ko dyan. SM Manila. Ganun eh.
Bikutan yan.
Bikutan. SM Bikutan.
Galing lang ako dyan last week.
Just remember the logo. Ayan, dahil mga promo, O, sige po, pupunta tayo dyan. Okay, at tayo, time check. Brought to you by Nuder. It's 11:32. Ang bilis ng oras, kakalahati pa lang. But please, wala po pong aalis dahil marami pa po tayong pag-uusapan. Marami pang ibabalita sa atin nila Dr. Pineda ang mga latest na gamutan. Only from Derm Clinic, the True Skin and Hair Clinic. Diyan lang po kayo.
Mga latest sa larangan ng kalusugan.
This is a story about Filipino courage. People who get bullied but never back down. A nation that shows greater strength when faced with bigger foes. Heroes who suffer setbacks but come back better than ever. A country fighting against all odds and being victorious in the end. This is the story of the...
Skin and Scalp Talks program dito sa DZIQ and Inquirer 990 television, brought in part to all of us by Derm Clinic, True Skin and Hair Clinic. Ayan po, napakarami pa natin po. Ano mo, ang lawak kasi talaga ng skin and scalp eh. You know, I remember 15 years ago, yung ginawa namin actually, yung skin and scalp. Nagtatanong nga sila, bakit skin and scalp? Kasi nga, Yun yung gusto ni Doc. Unang tanong ko lang, ang sagot ko lang noon, yun skin and scalp. Pero at least naliwanagan mo ngayon, doktora, di ba, na mahalaga, no, ang skin, pangangalaga ng scalp. Kasi parte yon, bahagi yon ng balat. Okay, so, ngayon, Doc, no, nandiyan naman kayo for the longest, hindi naman talaga kayo nawala, no? Medyo lang, tinamad lang kayo, ganun tinamad no? Natulog si Doc, hindi matulog. So, ano ba ang mga aabangan ng ating mga mga loyal patrons and clients na talaga mga suki na ng Derm Clinic? Ano ba mga bago nating mga offerings? Ito kanina, kwento na ni Doc, itong rejuvenation, botox and all. Ang gaganda. Actually, natakot lang talaga ako sa injection Kaya hindi ako nakatry. Pero yung mga nag-try, no, si Ate Ana, ang ganda-ganda na noon niya. So, kayo pong mga medyo maraming mga linya-linya talaga, do not fret no more, sabi nga. Kasi, naku, wala, ba't si Doc nga wala, nakakainis. So, talagang lang yan, mga makabagong pamamaraan ng gamutan.
Yung iba kasi kinakatakot nila yung complications. Like, kunyari, yung pag-droop nung sa mata. Pero yun, kasi nangyayari yun kapag mali or sobra yung pagkakagawa. Oo. Kaya dapat very, very...
Kailangan dermatologist ang
Yun.
Sino-sino.
Ayun na. Ayun na, pak. Ganun. Kailangan dermatologist talaga.
Kasi diba medicine, hindi lang siya talaga science. It's also an art. So, dapat, in Derm Clinic, we ensure that all our doctors are trained both well in both the art and the science of skincare.
There's the art and the science. Naku, bigat naman ng dalawa. At lahat ng ating mga dermatologists are trained to do that sa Derm Clinic branches natin. So, Doc, excited. Oy, burr months na.
Okay, after Botox and also derma fillers, the third most popular over the world, basically with the power or the laser and radio frequency devices. These are to remove also the wrinkles, it stretch the face, and also
lips,
to recover and to add more collagen under your skin to have a fuller look and younger appearance. And that's the latest at the moment. The four most popular treatments at the moment all over the world basically would be more Botox injection or the sport injection and also derma fillers, then the power, laser and radio frequency, and ikaport ang tinatawag na mga skin peelings by means of chemicals.
Yun, meron tayong mga photos dyan, kuya.
All of these things are basically
peeling.
geared towards improving the
Iba
appearance and removal of defects of the face. Pigmentations, even the lines, even everything, every defect, even acne.
Itong mga
At saka
FAQs,
latest nga pala,
acne.
ginagamit ang Botox for the improvement of and cure of acne, because acne is secondary to excretion of oil, and botulism toxin would suppress the excretion or secretion of oil glands in the face, and basically mga pimples are basically with hyperactive oil gland.
Yun.
If you improve the secretion of the oil or the function of the oil gland, you improve also the appearance. You remove the acne and improve the condition of the patient to gain confidence.
Correct.
Good.
So, good talaga,
Okay,
Doc. Kasi nga, doktora, nag-search din kami ng top 5 common skin problems. So, ang lumabas talaga, Doc, acne, warts, tapos meron ding yung yung may naiinang dark spots, yun, yung pigmentation nga, 'di ba? Tapos pangatlo yan. Tapos yun na nga yung ating nasabi na, yung mga linya-linya, yung mga wrinkles, at yung mga iba naman, Doc, walang problema sa balat, pero gusto magpaputi, Doc. Nako,
Kaya,
yun ang top 5 na na-search
the basic
namin.
services of dermatologists are basically related into three. Number one, the regeneration sa mga tumatanda para bumata naman. Second, the pigmentation of the skin. Okay? And third would be the sunblock in order to avoid the side effect, adverse side reactions of sunlight against the skin.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Teka, saan
Okay.
yan, Doc? Ano lang
And
yan?
acne is
Acne.
number
Oo.
4. Number 1 na acne actually. Second would be more on regeneration, and third would be more on pigmentations, and fourth would be secondary to okay, diseases already.
Yung mga skin disease
Oo.
na, o yung mga
Katulad
tipong
ng
mga
warts, katulad ng
psoriasis,
Lynch's
mga
and
ganun.
others.
Tama ba, doktor?
Oo, yung mga ayaw kasi nung tao, di yung karamihan, yung uneven yung skin
Oh,
tone.
yun, oo.
So, kumbaga, di ba, kakatapos lang ng beach nung summer.
Mm-mm.
So, karamihan yan, naarawan, nainitan. So, may tendency na tumaas yung pigment color, so magda-darken. So, syempre ngayon, holidays na, parating na yung holidays, ang gusto naman yan, ma-maintain talaga yung color. So, basically, we have whitening treatments, we
Ayun.
have peeling procedures that we do in derm clinic. We also have glutathione.
Ayun, yung
Ayun.
pampaputi na
Patients.
yan. Yung, oo.
Patients want to be fair.
Yun
Yeah.
naman, Doc. Eh,
Oo.
sasabihin ko nga eh. Sabi ko, bakit yung mga di ba, yung mga foreigners talaga nagpapatan?
The foreigners, okay, the Americans and Europeans want to be tanned
Oo.
because they're
Oo.
white already.
Oo.
But here in the Philippines and
Papa-brown.
in Southeast Asia, even
Gustong
Chinese, even
Oo.
Japanese, they want to be fair looking,
Gusto
better,
talaga magpaputi,
whiter than
no?
before,
Oo.
than their particular ancestors.
Oo. Eh, pero nga, itong mga Pinay
The
nga.
white is
Mm.
sexy and desirable, not only
Ay,
beautiful, desirable.
Ayan,
Yeah.
ako, spell desirable ng mga boys, ha? Gusto yung desirable. Eh, kasi nga, di ba, pag maputi, parang biglang ang kasunod nun, makinis. Di ba? So, yun nga, Doc, no? Medyo grabe, yung sobrang, di ba, pag nagpapaputi sila, iba-iba na, di ba, sabi, may topical na pampaputi,
Oo.
di ba, may mga soap tayo na gluta, and then, sa clinic naman, Doc, kung talagang gustong magpaputi ng mga tao, ng pasyente, ano talaga una nating binibigay? May topical muna or
We have creams,
Okay.
na special
Whitening creams.
whitening
Oo.
creams that we have that we actually manufactured and studied already that it's really proven to cause lightening. And then, we also have peeling procedures. Yung sinasabi ko nga kanina, kasi karamihan, kunyari, yung acne, isa yan sa major na nagkakos ng dark spots eh.
ayun, yung pag natuyo,
So,
yung
Kaya pagkatapos, ang best treatment dyan is with peeling procedures. Sa derm clinic, we have acne treatment with peeling na talaga siyang kasama.
ayun. So, yan, hindi na mawawala na rin yung dark
Mm-mm.
spots. Sige, kasi nga 'di ba, yung ang mga nauso nga daw ngayon, 'di ba, yung meron kayong mga gluta drip ba daw, may mga IV na grabe pag nagpaturok daw talagang uniforme, puti
IV
lahat.
gluta.
Mga
IV
ganun.
at saka IV drip. Okay.
Mhm.
Very, very popular in the Philippines.
No?
Movie
Bakit
personalities.
kaya?
They want to be
Gusto
beautiful, they
mapaputi
want to be
talaga.
attractive, they want to be
Oo.
sexy, and they want to be desirable.
Ayan. Yung nga nating acronym yan. Sexy, attractive, desirable. S-A D. Sad. Okay, so, yun, meron to lahat, doktora. Sa
Meron
clinic.
naman.
Oo.
Ang glutathione lang, it's part na talaga siya, na parang it's just enhancing yung pag-increase or pag-lighten nung skin mo,
Mhm.
more or less. Pero it's better pa rin talaga that a dermatologist see you or evaluate kasi baka mamaya may iba ka pang
Oo.
concern sa skin eh.
Meron baka magkaroon ng komplikasyon, diba? Hindi natin gusto yun. So, again, don't go anywhere else.
Oo.
Okay, I want I want the public to know that the greatest factor or the biggest culprit in making the defective skin basically will be your stress.
Ayan.
Second, sunlight.
Ayoko
Third,
niyan.
pollution.
Ayun.
And stress,
Stress,
really.
sunlight, pollution.
Na meron lahat sa atin sa
Oo,
Pilipinas.
dahil wala tayong magagawa. Talagang may pollution.
Oo.
At syempre, ang
Kahit
araw.
saan.
So, ang payong, kung di kayo magpagdala ng payong, may sunblock
To be-
kayo.
wait a minute, because if stress will be the number one all over the world, then you got to be that stressed.
Mhm.
You got to have good, aside from good, healthy food, exercise, also your
Good
defense,
outlook
you got to
in
trust
life. Oo. Diba?
kanino?
Good-
In
syempre,
God.
Yes. Ang
Trust in God would distress you, would give you
Ayan.
peace and joy.
Ayan na, Doc.
Yeah.
Oh, Gluta Drip. Radiantly
Gluta-
glowing skin. Oh, ay, ang mura. Talaga? Hanggang kailan yan daw? Ano ba yan talaga ang regular?
Ang regular niyan, nasa more than 6,500 or 7,000.
Wow. Pero how many sessions, Doc?
That
Depende
one's
kung gaano ka
Oo,
ka-itim.
hindi naman.
Sorry.
Oo.
Oh, pero yung mga
Dramatic,
gandang,
dramatic
dramatic.
effect. Immediately there is an effect.
Oo.
Because and the mechanism of action is against the melanocytes yung nagpo-produce ng pigment on the skin.
Oo. So, ang Glutadrip, ito pa, Gluta Ivy, reveal the glowing white skin.
Oo. Actually, yun.
So, ba
Kasi
yun,
diba,
doktora?
Hindi.
Oo, hindi. Kasi mas maganda ka doon.
Usually, ang ginagawa lang would be, we really encourage that it's not just white, na pale white. Kasi minsan, ganun yung nakukuha natin from whitening. But with Derm Clinic, we ensure that it's glowing white. Kasi at least, na-maintain yung healthy
Hindi lang white,
skin.
kundi
Oo.
nag-glow din kayo, 'di ba? Kung yung mga hair shell natin diyan, kailangan natin ding i-highlight 'yan, no? Yung mga hair shell treatment na makukuha rin sa derms, yun mo, ang dami.
Okay. I review the treatment for falling hairs and thinning hairs. You know, there are lots of newer preparations at the moment, but they still classically used with the very, very, acceptable all over the world is the use of minoxidil and finasteride. Pero ngayon, meron ang sinasabi regarding the stem cells. So we're introducing stem cells, yun nga lang galing sa apple, plus finasteride and minoxidil. In 2 months' time, you are going to have a head full of hair.
Ayun.
Tumutubo ng buhok. You'll be
Gusto ko yan,
convinced.
Dok.
And that is very, very revolutionary in the sense that, kasi ang minoxidil with finasteride is not available in the Philippines, but it is available in our clinic to give you, because this is still, at the moment it is used in
Scientifically proven.
Singapore and also in Bangkok. But in the Philippines, we are still investigating this. But the effect all over the literature regarding baldness and falling hairs and thinning hairs basically would be this is the #1 medicine.
Ayun.
The other medicines, like for example, the herbal medicines and other cosmetics, the
natural,
vitamins
oo.
and also zinc and other potassium and others are basically to cover the hair, but to grow the hairs from
Ayun.
cellular level, there's only one, and that is minoxidil.
Minoxidil. Kasi minoxidil natin, kuya. Oo, yan. Ulitin mo yan, doktora.
Oo, we can
Oo,
still not
hair gel.
discount that
Oo.
siya talaga yung founder of
Yes.
Regrow, which is the minoxidil here in the Philippines,
Mhm.
which is still the #1 hair grower.
Oo,
That's
pakita
proven,
natin yung kuya.
medically
One,
proven.
It's clinically
Oo.
proven and only acceptable all over the world
Ayun.
according to medical research work.
Okay, the founder is in
Yeah.
Derm Clinic. O,
Siya
saan
at
pa
saka
kayo?
siya yung nag-study nun.
Oo.
He made the
His own
research.
formulation,
His
diba?
own formulation. He made the clinical study. He made the paper on minoxidil.
And we're going to export that to Japan and Southeast Asia.
Pakita natin yung minoxidil, kuya, para makita ng mga viewers natin.
Mm-mm.
Saan ba ito mabibili, Dok?
Minoxidil is available in our clinics, but it's
Watson's
also
also.
available outside. It's also
Oo.
available in leading pharmaceutical drug companies, drugstores.
Oo.
If you want your hair to immediately grow, then come to the clinic because meron kaming tinatawag na bagong hair
shell.
Egg cell
Oh, yun.
Hair growth
system.
clinic.
Oo.
In
Wow.
2 months time, it starts the
Wow.
rapid growth of hair, and then
2
maintain
months,
it with
2 months?
medicine.
Within, usually kasi, we have, Derm Clinic is also expert, yung sinasabi nga, kaya skin and scalp, because these are one of our expertise. So for the scalp, it's really known already that we're really experts in treating scalp condition. So whether it's alopecia, it's thinning hair, or
Oo.
falling hair.
Since 1987, we're #1
Alopecia,
in the
no?
scalp treatment.
Oo. Ayun na, natandaan ko yan.
Diba
Male and
September
female
is,
pattern. Oo.
alopecia.
Alopecia
Alopecia
month.
awareness.
Alopecia.
Oo. Ayan o. Ano na ba ngayon? 24. Oh, matagal
Diba?
pa.
It's still September.
It's still September. Today is just September 24. You still have how many days? So, 6 days pa. Oh, yung mga deadline yun.
Oo. At saka meron kasi kaming special procedures. Aside from having hair shawls are like facial treatments to maintain your healthy hair. So, oo.
Pag sinabi nating healthy, hindi manipis.
Okay.
Glowing, makapal, shiny. Oo.
Okay. Our medicines are basically not endorsed by any actors or actresses. This is a popularity contest. This is all backed up by scientific research papers all over the world. This is the medical research work, by medical centers. And our procedure basically will be the #1 that is acceptable, medically and scientifically. The others are not accepted. Probably you can use that, yes, why not? And after all, then you go back again to our newer treatment.
Saka together with the treatments, we partner it with Regro, with the minoxidil.
Ayun.
Kasi nga, it's proven already.
Oo, yung
So we make sure that it's part of our procedure, it's part of our treatment plan for patients to really continue using minoxidil.
Other advertised or endorsed products are basically cosmetics only. They have not been proven scientifically and accepted by medical community.
Alright. So, minoxidil lang.
Minoxidil
talaga.
with finasteride and
Dok.
also
Ang
stem
init
cells
sa
also.
buko.
Oo. Saka, di ba, sabi ko nga, it's nearing already our anniversary. So, they can visit the clinic already kasi we have something prepared for those who are interested in hair treatments. Kasi we're going to launch yung sinasabi niya kanina na hair treatment that's specialized. Yung procedure namin, it's uniquely Derm Clinic.
Ayun.
Oo.
We
Alam
would
mo,
want to promote
kaya pala, Dok,
the
pag-
services of the clinic and give them a certain, to allow them to start something scientific, to start something that's really true and excellent, and put it
Proven.
to the clinic. And then
Proven
we
and-
start because of our celebration, come to the clinic. You know,
Yeah, in
okay,
line.
we are treating 2 to 5 to 10 patients a day with Botox and also derma fillers.
O yun, di ba?
Good.
Naku, kulang ang oras natin. Ay, hello Prince. Ayan, gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang mga kapatiran natin na nagpadala ng masarap na coffee. Anong coffee na yan? Ang Doktora Fruit? Ano ba yan?
Roots and
Ayun,
herbs.
mali na naman ako. Sorry, friend. Roots and Herbs Coffee. Oy, ang sarap. Thank you, brother. Ay, nako, itong Roots and Herbs Coffee, para pagkatas nyo magpa-facial, go kayo dyan sa may Leong Ginto.
Oo.
Katabi lang nyo sa De La Salle. Ang sarap ng mga kape dyan. Oy, boys, pag di nyo nilabas yung minoxidil, wala kayong kape sa akin. Hello, Kuya Ira. Ayun, no, Kuya Ira. Alright, sarap. O, sige, kwentuhan pa tayo. Lalo kung dadaldal, may kape
Oo.
ako. O, titikman ko to, mukhang masarap. Healthy. Saan magawa to, Prince? O, ayan, pakita natin. Roots and Herbs Coffee. O, 'di ba? So, diyan sa Leong Ginto to, yung mga gustong magkape, mga nagba-Bible study, go!
Oo.
Lang kayo magtambay. Ay, ando.
Saka, yung ito, alam ko, kaya siya Roots and Herbs. Kasi
Oo.
parang may malunggay siya, di ba? Malunggay coffee yung
Wow.
kasalin niya.
Ay, sandali, ininuman ko
Diba?
na. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Dok, open your, Kenneler cup. O.
Di ba? Kasi nga,
Ang
pinag-usapan natin is
sarap.
health.
Oo, healthy. Sabi dito, healthy, wealthy, lahat na ng tea. O, diba? So, sandali lang, Dok, ina-excite ako dun sa sinasabi mong we're gonna go full blast in line with our 45 years, glorious years of celebration. Ayan, ang minoxidil Regro. Thank you. Ang nakahanap, may kape. Okay. So, yan
We
yan.
have actually different percentages of the treatment. Yan, nakalagay 6%. Kasi
Oo.
higher na yan.
Oo,
Pero
kaya-
mas better, oo.
Oo.
It's really observed and explained by the doctors kung paano
Oo,
mo siya
yun.
gagamitin for
Yun ang
efficacy.
alamin, mga pasyente. Pumunta na kayo sa
Pumunta
derm
muna
clinic.
sa derm clinic
Kasi
para...
sila magsasabi kung
The
anong
5%
nararapat.
is the most popular.
Ayun.
But if you want a better result,
Ayun ba,
use
Doc?
the 6%.
Oo, the
Yun.
6%.
6% is prime price, also prime in effect.
Parang
Yan,
ito
proven
na yung
effective.
do-it-yourself na kaya
Oo.
mong gawin at home. But at Derm Clinic, we have a special procedure, yung sinasabi ko nga, which is the S-cell hair therapy, that we can couple with this one to increase yung effect niya. So instead of waiting mga 3 to 4 months to 6 months before hair grows, ito,
May tissue.
1 to 2 months.
Yeah, the reason
Ayun.
why you grow hairs within that short period of time to trigger the growth of the new growth of hair is the presence of stem cells.
Ayun.
This is new, the presence of stem cells.
Okay.
The presence of stem cells and derivatives of stem cells.
Ayan,
This
nakikita
is
ng
all
mga
acceptable
viewers,
all
oh.
over the world.
Oo, all over the world yan, ha? Okay, Doc, so talagang nahahaba ang buko dyan. Talagang mamaya titirahin ko yan. Ganun. Kasi, Doc, na-damage yung hair ko, di ba? Kakapa-treatment sa salon.
Oo. Madalas kasi, di ba
Ayan,
ngayon, it's one of the
nanliit, nanipis,
reasons
naglagas.
yung treatment, which is okay naman. It's better lang na i-maintain pa rin talaga siya with proper hair care.
Like, yung ano ba yung natural doktora, yung nanay ko, ginagawa na ako ng gugu.
We have
Okay pa ba yun?
we have pre-grow shampoo and conditioner. It's also part of our package. Na pre-grow shampoo and conditioner, it's parang a maintenance regimen that you use to make sure na at least well-nourished yung hair mo.
Oo. Ayan. So, sobrang sarap ng kape. Medyo natapunan si Doc. Ito ang tissue. Oh, thank you, Kuya. Dahil dyan, nagwagi ka na isang kape. Si Kuya. Okay. So, ayan kita nyo na. Ang Skin and Scalp Talk, hindi lang talaga balat, no? So, talagang hair shell, scalp, no? Pangalagaan din natin. I'm sure,
Kasi 'di ba, ang gusto natin with yung hair treatment is pumasok yung medicine in the
Oo.
hair. So we have a special treatment that's only at Derm Clinic.
Oo.
Na it's our dermatologists who do microneedling in order to help dermal stamping para mas mag-penetrate yung gamot,
Grabe,
which is
doktora.
minoxidil.
Ikaw na, doktora. Ayan, ako yari hanapin ka sa lahat ng branches. Tsaka si Dr. Pineda. O, di ba, Dok, ang sarap? Ayan, kita mo tayo. Hindi na nagsasalita si Doc. Oh, bro.
Nag-enjoy
Bro,
eh.
mga kapatid natin dyan sa ating ebanghelyo. Ang sarap ng roots and herbs coffee. Naku, mamaya pupunta ako dyan. Bukas ba? Baka hindi.
Oo.
Thank you, Prince, ha?
Marami rin yata
Thank
sila
you.
may mga cold.
Oo. O, yan ang
May mga
pinupost.
fraps sila eh. Kasi nagaling na ako doon eh.
Talaga, doktora, may mga frap. Yari ka sa akin. May frap pala dyan. Ay, may diabetes pala ako. May ganun eh. Alright. So, pakarami. So, I'm sure mga viewers and televiewers natin, excited kayo dito sa ating bagong programa dito sa Radyo Inquirer, Inquirer 990 Television, ang Skin and Scalp Talk by Derm Clinic, the True Skin and Hair Clinic. Ang bilis ng oras. Time check.
Malapit na mag-Christmas. If you want a
Okay,
presentable,
go.
a new face, and a good-looking, refreshed appearance, now go to Derm Clinic. We
Oo.
assure you of professional dermatology services.
Yun.
And
Thank you, Doc.
very ethical and professional and excellent.
Okay, so bago tayo tuluyang susundot ako doon. Marami po tayong mga Christmas promo ngayong last quarter ng taon, no? Dito nga may mga hawak ako. You get a free facial treatment, when you get this coupon. Kung saan nyo makukuha yung coupon na to, sorry, secret, hindi, joke. Meron po kayong mga masasalihang contest, like yung dito po sa ating mga radio programs. You just have to, very easy mechanics, you just have to like our Facebook page, no? At pag nilike niyo ang Facebook page, meron pong mga instructions doon. I-message po kayo ng aming mga admin on how to claim your prizes, no? So basically, it's you get a free medical facial treatment. And of course, dito sa likod ko, may nakikita ba kayo sa likod? Ayun, no? Eto, mga maraming goodies from Derm Clinic. Kung anong mga laman nito, ay mag-message din kayo. Okay, so like our Derm Clinic fan page and you get to win Christmas promo coupons which are available na to sa lahat ng mga Derm Clinics, Madam, di ba, Doktora?
Yeah, oo.
Free medical facial treatment. At syempre, pag may gano'n, may makokonsult nyo na rin ng free ang ating mga consultants. Diba, Doc? May
Oo, they can
gustong
come
dagdag.
to the clinic already and we can, our dermatologists are there, hindi naman 24/7, pero during clinic hours.
Opo, at yung
So,
mga,
morning until 8 or 9 p.m.
Oo. At syempre,
Our
mga
doctors are
SM
there.
branches yan. SM branches. So, saan pa kayo, no? Lahat. Rampa ng rampa, magpa-facial muna. Diba? Rampa ng rampa, magpa-facial tayo.
Kasi
Alright.
Christmas season
Oo,
eh.
kailangan maganda tayo sa mga reunions and parties. Di po ba? Alright, and ito pong ating Derm Clinic paper goodies, bags of goodies. Meron din pong mga special items dito na pwede ninyong mapalalunan. And also, I'd like to make mention, yung pong billboard contest ng Radyo Inquirer, kami rin po ay mamimigay, di ba, Doktora? Ng gift certificates worth 500 pesos. Naku, go, like na kayo or mag-join kayo dun sa contest na yon. Yung pong mga mechanics ng contest na yon, magsisimula ng announcement niyan sa Lunes via banner story ni Bossing Jake Maderazo and Arlene de la Cruz. Tuloy-tuloy sa Good Morning Inquirer ni Ira Panganiban at tuloy-tuloy Opo, ayan po ang ating mga premyo para lahat po kayo magkaroon ng chance na bumisita sa Derm Clinic. Alright, we have a minute to go, Doc. Anything else? Last word bago tayo mag-share ng ating Bible code for the day.
Okay.
Visit the Derm.
This is Derm Clinic. You've got to, the first advice that we want you to have is don't be stressed. Okay, trust in God. That's the way it is. Trust in God, don't be stressed. And then go to Derm Clinic for any kind of a skin defect and also for your new hairs to grow.
Okay, hold
Good.
on.
Okay, good.
Ay, Angela, doktora, invite mo na sila for hair and care, skin and hair care.
For skin and hair care, it would be best for you to really be seen by your trusted dermatologist. So, who's better to trust than the one who's in the industry for 45 years already?
Saan ka? Lalabang ka pa ba? 45 years of dermatological services, expertise, and of course, professional healthcare. Oh, ayan na. Tsaka, kita nyo, ayan o. Ayan o, Doc, diba? Board certified, 45 years of expertise, board certified dermatologist. That is Derm Clinic, the true skin and hair clinic. Yan. At bago tayong paalam, bibigyan na po namin ang aming word for the day, Kuya. It's found in the book of Isaiah, chapter 40, verses 29 to 31. It says there, He gives power to the weak, and to those who have no might, He increases strength. Even the youth shall faint and be weary, and the young man shall utterly fall. But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Wow. Ang ganda ng ating mensahe, di ba, Doc? Before we finally go, yan po ang aming share sa inyo. Wait upon the Lord, and you will mount like eagles. You will not grow weary, at hindi po kayo mahihimatay. You will not faint. In other words, kayo po ay talagang magiging malakas kung tayong lahat ay nasa Panginoon. Agree, Doc?
Yes.
Okay. So, ayan po.
100%. Trust the Lord with all your mind.
Ayun.
And you will be successful and prosperous
Ayan.
in the Lord.
Okay.
Not the way the world is behaving, marketing and everything. Trust in the Lord that you will be successful and be of good success in life.
Okay. At hindi ko po ito programa. Next week po ay mapapanood nyo kami via TV format na. So, ito po ay actually opening at welcoming natin sa Derm Clinic family. So, next week, tayo po ay mapapanood na via TV format. We'll be showing you the latest mga interviews nila, Doc, sa iba't ibang larangan ng gamutan. Okay? So, Doc, magpapaalam na tayo. Ang Skin and Scalp Talk po by Derm Clinic ay nagpapaalam. Ako po si Lea Silagan. Kasama ko po ang Father of Philippine Dermatology. Doc, magbabay ka na.
Okay, thank you so much for patronizing this radio station. And we express and give you what the Lord said. Bless them. I bless you in the name of Jesus. All of you to be healed, to be beautiful, and to be prosperous.
Amen.
Expect that all the time. Expect that, and it will come unto you.
Alright. And last word, Dr. Angela.
Thank you again for listening to us today. So, we hope that we'll see you again next week.
Dito sa Skin and Scalp Talk. Dito lang po sa Inquirer 990 Television at sa maraming pang platform. Okay, bye-bye. We'll see you again. Bye-bye po.
Atid ng inyong Radyo Inquirer 990 ang serbisyo publikong hindi magpapahuli. Lunes hanggang Biyernes,